flash flood warning for the District of Columbia, South Central Montgomery County and Central Maryland, Arlington County in Northern Virginia, the City of Falls Church in Northern Virginia, Northeastern Fairfax County in Northern Virginia, the City of Alexandria in Northern Virginia until 10 p.m. At 6:54 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the area. Around an inch of rain has fallen, and an additional 1 to 2 inches of rain is possible over the next 1 to 2 hours, leading to flash flooding in the metro area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Now for the official net.
You heard it first. Flash flood warning.